Two policemen were shot and injured, while one gunman was killed and another injured in Constant Spring Road attack.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Two policemen are now being treated after they were shot by a gunman on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew, in the vicinity of a service station. According to the Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit, the incident happened about 1:30 a.m. on Wednesday while the cops were on patrol.
We are able to confirm that two police officers were shot and injured this morning. Based on what was reported, about 1:30, they were on patrol on Constant Spring Road when they observed a Honda Civic motor car parked along the roadway. The police officers approached the vehicle and was in the process of speaking to the occupants, the driver and another male, when they immediately opened fire at the police. The police returned the fire and the car sped off. However, it crashed a short distance away and the driver was held and the other man ran from the vehicle and escaped. The driver and the two police officers were taken to hospital where he died while undergoing treatment, and the police officers were treated for gunshot injuries. Whilst at the hospital, the other suspect turned up for treatment, stating that he was shot at a particular location. However, the officers that were there identified him as the other occupant of the car who actually shot them. So he's currently in police custody at the moment. At the moment, the scene is being processed by Indicom and the scene of crime detectives. The car is in possession of them, so they will be doing a search of the vehicle later today.
The deceased gunman has been identified as 23-year-old Raheem Lawrence of a Halls Green, Temple Hall address. Some 30 spent shells have reportedly been recovered from the scene by investigators, who are currently probing the incident. The shooting comes a little over 7 weeks after 4 police officers were shot and injured in Horizon Park, St. Catherine, while on an operation.
We are encouraging members of the public to desist from attacking the police when they are carrying out their functions. We don't want to have these situations where police officers are receiving injuries and persons are dying as a result of the police officers defending themselves. So we really want to see the persons we are seeing scenes where every arrest they are fighting back, they are attacking persons, they are ganging up to mob them. We don't want that to happen. So we're asking the persons comply with the instruction of the police officers. You know that there are some things that are illegal, so we want to say to persons that desist from attacking the police.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.